Here. Hello. Magturon. Well, look at our room ulit. Ew, Enyo. It's so kadir. It's full of different stuff colliding in colliding in the middle of the room. That's our former pastor, Feldy Saldivia Macapagal A. Arroyo, Macapagal X, Y to Junior, X Y to the third power. This is Fresca Stephanie. Fresca Stephanie who's having a flu. Phlegm pala. Hindi pala siya flu. No, okay. That's my sister, Fresca Ami. Oh, loser. We're losers here. That's Fresca, Pastor Fresca. We are such a loser. Loser. That's Pastor Fresca, and this is the currently pastor of White Mountains. Just is buying our corporation, Black Forest Corporation. This is the most flirty girl in the Casablanca Black Forest, Miss Uragan. Now, we're Betchu Sututochi was preparing herself too. And Grenadine, Fresca Faith. Yeah. Fresca Uragan. Peace. Happy. Hello, everybody. Hi, Fresca. Yeah. Look, watch all over again. Oh my gosh, another scandal. Go!
Wag, hallelujah kayo.
Oh my gosh.
Kakatapos lang ng bar.
Look at our room. So dirty. Okay guys, bye-bye. We need to go to the bathroom. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Papa. Bye-bye, Mama. I love you. See you guys next time. Happy New Year.